Hey girl, let's get into it. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees. Add 1 box of yellow cake mix, 1 egg, and 1 stick of melted butter. Then you are going to mix this together until it becomes the consistency of dough. I am spraying a 9 by 13 pan to keep the cake mix from sticking. So right here, I am just showing you the texture of the cake mix and how it should be when you're done mixing it together. I am adding some nuts on top of the cake batter, and I am eyeballing the amount that I need. So the base part of the cake is done. Now we're moving on to the cream cheese icing. For the icing, you will need 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese at room temperature and 2 eggs. Okay girl, so I am only adding 2 cups of powdered sugar, but you can add up to 3.5 cups, which is equal to 1 box of powdered sugar. It just all depends on how sweet you want your chewy to be. So let's take our icing to another level and let's add some vanilla flavor. See, I told you that this recipe was super easy. So now let's pour the icing on top of the cake batter.
I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. Too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. Too easy. It's too easy. I've been there, done it, seen it. I saw that. Boy, all that like Keenan. I did that. Still got crack, they fiendin'. Flow still hot like.
So I put this cake in the oven for about 50 or 60 minutes.
Still tryna fight my demons.
Fresh out of the oven, this is what the cake looks like. Be sure to check my socials in a few days if you want this recipe. If you enjoyed this video, then girl, show me some love. Smash that like button. Please share this video and drop a comment down below and let me know that you stopped by. And that is the end of this video, and until the next video, peace.
I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. It's too easy. I've been there, done it, seen it. Y'all about just talk, don't live it. And just took that route, that seen it. I'm so outspoken like Reason. Jimmy Neutron, boy, young G's. And I'm a self-made man out of Sweden. And it's still off top, I'm tweaking. But I still gotta fight my demons. It's too easy, too easy, too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy, it's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy, it's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy, it's too easy.